Hey everyone! You ever hear about those giant icebergs floating around the ocean? Yeah, those massive chunks of ice, some bigger than cities. But lately there's been a lot of talk about how quickly they're melting, and why that matters more than you might think. Let's get right into it. Icebergs are basically huge pieces of freshwater ice that have broken off from glaciers or ice shelves and drift into open water. Now, it's totally normal for icebergs to melt. That's just part of their life cycle. But here's the thing, now they're melting faster than ever before. So what's actually causing this? The big answer, our planet's getting warmer. Global temperatures are rising, mostly because of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, from cars, factories, and power plants. Think of Earth like a giant greenhouse, and we've basically cranked up the heat. When air and ocean temps go up, icebergs don't stand a chance. Warm air hits the surface and the sun's rays beat down harder than before. But the real kicker? The warmer ocean water. As these icebergs float, they're surrounded by water that's a few degrees warmer than what they're used to. That's like tossing an ice cube into a cup of tea instead of a glass of ice water. It just disappears way faster. Take iceberg A68, for example. This thing was one of the largest ever recorded, almost the size of Delaware. It broke off Antarctica in 2017 and started drifting. Over a few years, it melted so quickly that it reshaped entire marine ecosystems. As it melted, it dumped billions of tons of fresh water into the ocean, messing with the saltiness and, believe it or not, the food chain for fish and birds nearby. And then there are stories like the iceberg that drifted close to an island community, creating both excitement and concern. It's a reminder that what happens in the polar regions can have ripple effects across the planet. Melting icebergs might seem like a faraway problem, but the effects are global. When they melt, sea levels rise. That means more flooding in coastal cities, stronger storms, and changes to ocean currents that influence weather patterns all over the world. But here's the thing, it's not too late. Scientists are racing to understand exactly how fast these changes are happening, and what we can do about it. By cutting down on greenhouse gas emissions and protecting our oceans, I believe we can help slow down the melt. So next time you see a headline about a giant iceberg, remember, it's not just a floating chunk of ice. It's a snapshot of our planet in transition. If you found this interesting, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Science Made Simple. Thanks for hanging out with me today.